Shielded twisted pair, STP, Category 6A Ethernet cable. 26 Aruban fluorines stranded, pure bare copper conductors. 500 MHz bandwidth, no protective plug retaining clip covers. 50 micrometers gold-plated contacts. Save the time and hassle of building Ethernet cables by using fixed-length STP Cat6A Ethernet network cables from Monoprice. The Zeroboot series of Ethernet cables are designed for IT and data center professionals who prefer interconnect cables without the covers that protect the plug retaining clips, allowing for faster and easier cable connections. Monoprice Ethernet cables are made of 100% pure bare copper wire, as opposed to copper-clad aluminum (CCA) wire, and are therefore fully compliant with UL Code 444 and National Electrical Code TIA-568-C.2 fire and safety standards, which require pure bare copper wire in communications cables. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. Worked as intended.